Hey guys, in this video I want to focus completely on the verb to ask. It's so important and we use it every day, and I see so many students with problems with this verb. Okay, so let's go. To ask. Now, when we think about to ask, we can use it in different ways. One way is information. You want to know something, right? Or you need or want an object or a thing. Another way is help or action from another person. Okay, so let's explain that with a little more detail. We talk about information. I'm going to ask her where the shop is. So you are a tourist in a new city and you are looking for a specific shop and you don't know, and you want or you need the information. And you see a woman who is working and I'm going to ask her where the shop is. Now, what's important here, there's no preposition. That when you are asking about information, I'm going to ask her where the shop is. The classic problem is people say, I'm going to ask to her where the shop is. And this is not correct in this case, okay? Or even worse is to say, I'm going to ask for her. No, that's not correct. In terms of asking about information, this is not the right way. So we have to ask me, to ask you, to ask her, ask him, ask us, ask them. No preposition, okay? The second idea is when you need or want an object or a thing, right? If you take example for you are working in a company and you are working really well and you want to ask for a promotion at my job. So I want to ask for a promotion at my job. But in this case, you're asking for something, as you want or need an object. So you need to say, I want to ask for a promotion at my job. It's incorrect to say, I want to ask a promotion. Because the verb ask in English, sometimes in different languages, different translations, sometimes they have separate verbs. But in English, we just use a different preposition to make the difference. It's incorrect to say, I want to ask a promotion. Or you are in a restaurant and say, I want to ask a bottle of water. No, I want to ask for something, okay? So lots of examples here. To ask for information, to ask for help, ask for advice, ask for something to eat or something to drink, right? So you want or need something. Another idea here is that you want or need help or action from another person, right? For example, can you ask her to send me an email? So you're talking to a person and this person knows another woman, but you need the action from the woman. Can you ask her to send me an email? Okay? And you have the idea of to ask me, you, him, her, to, and the verb. Another example is, can you ask them to call us? As they, we need the action from them, right? Can you ask him to send me a message? Right? Is this the idea? To ask, personal pronoun, to, and the verb, all right? So let's just quickly see this again. With information, you want to know something. No preposition. To ask someone, not to ask for, not to ask to, right? You want or need an object or a thing is to ask for something. Help or action from a person is to ask someone to do something. Got it? So let's look at ask now and the pronunciation and what happens when we speak really quickly. Now you can see the K and we add the ED because it's a regular verb. But the ED is not asked, it's asked, asked. Now I have a little secret. Now just again, 2 steps. Ask, asked, right? Asked, ask, asked. It's not important if you have been pronouncing this word incorrectly for a long time. Just start and train again. Your mouth and your tongue are muscles and we can reprogram the muscles. But I have a little secret for you that the native speakers, we are a little bit lazy. Actually, the word asked is a little bit difficult. And in all native speakers of America, Ireland, United Kingdom, in all native speakers of America, Australia, England, Ireland, We're a little lazy and we don't always say asked. Sometimes we just say asked. Just so simple, asked. So why not make your life easier and say asked? It's so simple. So I want to show you some nice examples of how we use ask in different situations in the past for you to train. Now remember, always listening and repeating and pausing if you need more time. All right, let's go. I asked them, but they didn't know. 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 He asked her to meet me in front of the entrance to the university. He asked her to meet me in front of the entrance to the university. He asked her to meet me in front of the entrance to the university. She asked for a promotion, but she needs to do more interviews. She asked for a promotion, but she needs to do more interviews. She asked for a promotion, but she needs to do more interviews. We asked the man at the desk, but he did not know. We asked the man at the desk, but he didn't know. We asked the man at the desk, but he didn't know. We asked the man at the desk, but he didn't know. They asked me so many questions. 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 They asked me to write a letter of motivation. They asked me to write a letter of motivation. They asked me to write a letter of motivation. Okay guys, that ends this video about the verb ask. I hope it was useful for you. In the next video, we continue with the T group, the most important group, and this time it's verbs that end with the letter P. See you there, my friends.